today I'm at 19 Arundell Gardens. It's in Lifton. It's at the back of the Arundell Hotel, and but you get to it down Darky Lane. And you're just over the Devon border here from Cornwall, but you're only 5 miles from Lifton. A quick trip down the A30 takes you to the shops there, and obviously carrying on either way you can get right down into Cornwall to Truro and beyond, or you can get back to Exeter, and it's an easy transition as well to Plymouth. So a good central location which lots of people choose. The village itself does have some amenities as well. You do have a doctor's surgery here, as well as a village shop and a couple of other pubs. So bit going on because you've got the community centre as well. Now number 19 is a great property. It's a former authority property, but a long time ago it was bought privately and started off its life with 4 bedrooms, now has 3 double bedrooms, so a good sized family property. New carpet throughout, lovely kitchen, separate dining room and living room, as well as a nice bathroom. There's gardens to the front with parking and a garage, and to the back, which is like the front, just a pedestrian pathway with space to grow a few produce as well. So I would advise, if it's the type of property you're looking for, you give us a call and we'll arrange a viewing for you. 01566 776 211. This is 19 Arundell Gardens. As you can see, it's a semi-detached property. The majority of the garden is out here at the front, all nicely paved. You've got a garage there as well.